resident asthmatic pug, you'll hear all the time that you can hear my throat and me breathing heavily. Unfortunately, because I'm asthmatic, that's the way it sounds. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm not sorry really. So that's life. This is some unique packaging of something that came through the other day, which is another watch that I have purchased. So we're going to get this bad boy undone, and I mean, this is I feel this is the way to do it. I mean, get rid of all those old carrier bags. Ta-da! We have a G-Shock. Well, look at that. Oh, I like this. So we've got, this is a special one. This, if you look carefully at the face of this GA100, it is in fact camouflaged. Come on, camera, please, will you go and be in focus to show the kind people. Oh, come on, you absolute. Come on. No, it doesn't want to focus. There we go. And the battery's working, which is really nice. So it's got a camouflage face. We've got some damage up here on there. We might be able to get it off. Now the writing on this, you won't be able to see it, but it's like a tan colour, which is cool to match. Let's just check the buttons work. Oh, we've got a light. Let's try that. Yeah, that works. Stop. Oh, it says it's Tuesday, which it's not. The time's wrong on it as well. Oh no, not quite. Actually, the time's correct. There we go. Reset that. So actually, this is fully working. This is very cool. Let's just stop that and reset that. So I think we probably don't need to do a full strip down on this one. This is very cool though. I do like this watch. Oh, stop keeping all the watches, John. It's not the way to do it. Well, we probably need to set this up properly, but apart from that, it seems pretty good. If you tilt it, it's got like a slightly gold tinge to everything, which is nice. Oh, it's cool. The back is on the correct way around, unlike that last one. It is pretty grim in there. So, can we get this off here? That is the question. Let me see. It's not looking like it'll come off. That's a shame. Well, I wonder what that is on there. I wonder if a little tiny... It's like paint. Well, there seems to be a running theme about paint on watches. Now, somewhere in my collection of random stuff, I have some thinners. Right here. Good old-fashioned thinners, paint thinners. So let's just put a tiny bit on a cloth and see if we can just maybe wipe that off. I just don't want to take anything else with it, like the writing from the that's a shame. Well, what is it then if it's not coming off with thinners? Let's have a look at that. Oh, it is coming off. Just need maybe soften it up with some thinners. I wonder if I could use one of my snap-on blades. There we go. Let's take that out. I know what you're saying, John. That blade is disgusting. It's well rusty. It's crusty. I'm sorry. Oh, I love the smell of thinners. Right, let's get that nice and wet there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to see. I can actually feel that paint. These watches are like mad tough, so I'm surprised. Oh man, that's a sucker, isn't it? Thinners. Smells so good. There's another mark there. Any more on the face? Oh, this watch is so flipping cool. Oh, look at that. It came straight off. Straight off. That came straight off. Mint. Just going to be a little bit of time. Let's agitate this sucker. You know what I wish I had on? My reading glasses. I'm getting old. I need like multiple pairs of glasses now. Bit more thinners on there. Okay. That is better than it was. Are we agreed? We've got the white bit off. Okay, we might have. There's a little bit of mark in there from the blade, but on the whole, it's better. So I'm going to put this lid on. I might replace the battery, but I feel like, I'm sure when I bought this, it was showing that the battery wasn't working, so I think they may have replaced it. So I'm going to take the arms off anyway, the strappadoodles. So let's it's come loose. There we go, there's one. There's two. Yay. Minging straps. But they're not actually that bad, to be fair. This is in nice condition. Plop that in there. That's, you can see the water's going milky now from the thinners. Give it a little shake and vac and put the freshness back. My phone, we have many gifts coming through from my friends. It's come up amazing. Oh, I so like that watch. That is just so cool. That face is just... Nobody's going to be able to see it. It's camouflaged. Let's go with the green cloth. I've got a bit of water on my bench now. Good old neoprene. Oh, look at that. It's come up nice. I'm happy. So, what strap do I have for this? You can buy a full case for this, but because it's got that nice, cool green, sort of khaki coloured writing on it, I didn't really want to recase it. I thought I'd restrap it instead. So I have a nice green strap for it. That's cool, isn't it? Now, my question is, did I buy enough adapters? I've got a sneaking feeling I could have sworn I bought a second set of adapters, and I'm looking at my desk now, and I don't see a second set of adapters. So could this mean I've got to put the old strap back on? I've got a bag full of straps, all sorts of. And then here, no, they're pins, batteries. Hey, let's have a look. You can see. I found them. There we go. And I'm pretty sure these will fit because they're not dissimilar to the other ones. No, they will fit. But they go that way, don't they? They do. Right, we need some. These actually seem to have better looking pins. Yeah, they look good. They look good. I'm happy with those. Let's see if I can put this on. Yeah, that's nice. So I've ordered some of these that are metal, that are on their way from China. So I'm going to try them out. And hopefully, when we put those in, they might give another element to these watches that is quite funky. So like the one that I'm wearing now, it's got this lovely sort of metal bezel. That'd look pretty cool. My Lids was saying to me, she's like, "You keep wearing that watch. Are you keeping it?" And I was like, I know I want to keep it, but I can't really keep all these Casios. I want to though. This little bugger's not going on. I'll put that. No, that's a faulty one. That's not good. Let's try this one. Some of these are mixed up from the case over here because I was messing with them earlier. There we go. It's in. So push this through the bamboo little toothpick thing that's in there. We'll put this on this side. This strap feels a little more soft than that black one I put on the GA110. This is a lot shorter video as well because obviously, yeah, that's on there. I like that. I'm liking this one. See, now I thought that and I saw that. Right, okay. Let's just put that pin through there. Okay. I prefer the metal clasp on the other one if I'm honest, but this is kind of cool. Ah, you big old squirrel. Yeah, that feels pretty good. That is not coming apart. I am proper. Right, let's take this one off. Let's see what this looks like on. Much easier to put on than the metal strap, I will say. That's pretty cool. I have the world's tiniest wrists, so I feel like that's not going anywhere. Not that pretty. I feel like a better clasp. I'm preferring the metal clasp, but I think it's personal preference. This is very soft. So there you go. We have a fully working, nice G100 special edition camo looking thing with a paracord strap, and I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, the original straps will come with the watch, and yeah, you can get this bad boy bought over. I'll put a link to the Vinted where you can buy this. And hey, look, the prices are not set in stone on Vinted, so feel free to make an offer. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all on the flip side. See you later.